Hey, let me show you how can you get the mesh.stl file report within a few seconds. So first of all, search on Google MeshAnalyzer, and you can see this applications MeshAnalyzer web app. So I'll add this web applications link on my descriptions. So let's click launch app, and you can import your file in here. So let me put my STL file. It's quite a bit big, so it takes few seconds, and you can see. So how can you download the report so easily of this mesh? So just go to node and exports, and you can see the export PDF report. I can click export PDF report. You can see it's already downloaded, and if you open it, you can see in details in the 5 page all the data of your mesh. And if you need to submit somewhere or your colleague, you can share with them easily. So that's all. So I'll add this website link